Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of my newest purchase from Louis Vuitton. It's Louis Vuitton Lymington bag. This bag from spring summer collection. It's fairly new, but it looks like it's getting extremely popular, and I really want to share unboxing with you guys and just go over my first impression and do the modeling shots, because when I was trying to purchase this bag, unfortunately there is very limited amount of information about this bag on YouTube or purse firm. Like, it's literally almost impossible to find any information or any share about this bag. So let's just start. No, but I hope it's possible to read. There is a 2 zipper pulls. Once again, it says Louis Vuitton right there on the zipper pull. The handles on the website, they call them flat handles, and they are, say, to my, once again, knowledge, fairly new, or at least I haven't seen them before on Louis Vuitton bags. Once again, the top is brown and inside it's a burgundy, and they kind of almost like narrow when it comes to closer to the ring right there, and then they widens at the top. So once again, if somebody wants to wear it on the shoulder, it's more comfortable on the shoulder. The tassel is removable, so let's say if you're not very much fan of these tassels, you can remove them very easily, maybe using on some of the other bags, and it's become like more of the very business-like, I would say, bag, like, you know, very clean look. Inside we have a burgundy interior. You know, mostly with the damier bean, it comes kind of bright red, but this time they did it burgundy interior, and I love it. Somewhat, to me, it's reminiscent of the Chanel burgundy interior, and I absolutely love it. There is a one open pocket, and there is another one, 2 cell phone pockets. Once again, they are all more on the open side. This bag is made in Spain. At the bottom also there is 4 studs, and there is a crisscross stitching, once again for the extra support right there. On the studs it also says Louis Vuitton. There is engraving of the Louis Vuitton right there. Dimensions of the bag: 13.8 by 9.5, and the width 5.5. So I would say this bag is quite comfortable holding paperwork. The legal size paperwork definitely won't fit, but the regular size paperwork will fit, and I will demonstrate for you right now. So there you go. Let's say that's your paperwork. So going in, you kind of have to little bit, you know, wiggle on the side, but as you can see, it perfectly goes in, and I can zip the bag. So once again, as I said, as a business companion, this bag is very a perfect bag for that kind of use and occasion. What I like also about it, also because it's more on the, you know, when it comes in general to damier bean print in Louis Vuitton, it's, though it's the oldest one, you know, it's the oldest print from Louis Vuitton, but it's more understated. Not many people recognize this print, and as I said, if you're going for some kind of business meeting, etc., it's really great like print to choose, because, you know, it's not like to your face, but at the same time it's very elegant. It's extremely polished look when it comes to the damier bean print. I love damier bean print, and I have several bags specifically in damier bean print. As you can see from my modeling shots, they were running for a while, but I want to show you also once again a little bit closer on a camera when it comes to the shoulder. Can I use it on my shoulder? And yes, it comes very, very comfortable on the shoulder. Nevertheless, it sits quite snug right under the shoulder. I'm on the shorter side. I'm 5'3", but once again I'm more on the curvy side. So let's say even if you're taller but you're not as curvy as me, I would say it's quite comfortable. Will sit on your shoulder. Overall, the workmanship on this bag is extremely high. I love it. The hardware is very, very bright yellow, very, very polished bright yellow. That's what I like also about this bag. I like also that when you look at this once again rings and the pull, like you can see there is also an additional 2 studs for the extra support. So let's say if your bag is really filled up, so it's definitely should hold it quite nicely. This bag is fairly structured, but it's also soft. You know, it's kind of 50-50. It's good for the both worlds. If you like more of the structured bag, it's fairly structured, and if you're gonna put some purse organizer, then it's going to be extremely structured bag. But if you're a person who likes more of the softer, almost like, you know, baggy style of the bag, this is not really baggy bag, but it's close to that style. It just has a little bit of structure, but at the same time there is a softness and comfort, and obviously over the time it's going to get even more comfortable. I think that's all that I have for you today. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below and I will gladly answer all your questions and comments. One more thing I want to mention, that usually when I'm see myself wearing damier bean, it's more of the winter print. I prefer to use it more in the winter print. But with this bag, you can see today I'm wearing linen dress, and it's definitely a summer dress, but I would say it's a perfect use even in the summer month. And once again, that elegance of the burgundy, what makes it, you know, almost like very, very elegant all season bag. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you again on my channel, and until we meet again,